Armatix uses a completely new technology for securing weapons: mechatronics. Mechatronics unites mechanics and state-of-the-art electronics in the locking element and the operating unit. Having the locking element directly in the barrel protects the weapon from misuse. The pin code used to release the locking element guarantees exclusive access to the weapon by authorized persons. Thus, the Quick Lock system offers weapon safety also outside a firearm locker. Applications for the locking systems can be found wherever weapons have to be stored securely outside a locker. Examples include the hunting fraternity, private shooting clubs, and also official authorities, such as the army and the police. Ernst Mauch has been developing small arms for the past 30 years. For him, it is decisive to have the highest standards of quality. In the development of all our products, we already made sure that during the insertion and removal of our security systems, the weapons remained undamaged. Out of almost 50,000 insertions and removals of safety systems, we haven't established any damage, or anything affecting either the precision or the reliability. The Quick Lock system can only become a secure alternative to a firearm locker if it is able to guarantee absolute dependability. In this attempt, the locking system will be tested on 3 weapons. The goal: 3 persons will try to remove the locking element with common tools and, if possible, without damaging the barrel of the weapon. A notary public will observe and protocol the accuracy of the testing procedure. Armatix Quick Lock offers locking elements for diverse weapons and caliber sizes. Introducing the locking element into the weapon only takes seconds. Depending on the type of firearm, the block is located in the barrel or in the cartridge chamber. For the first attempt, Ralf Herrmann, a qualified weapons expert, and Daniel Fedrovitz, a student, will fixate the barrel of a double-barrel shotgun onto the bench vise. The only aids used during this attempt: a metal rod, a hammer, and muscle power. The result? It's quite secure. The rod keeps coming back up. In other words, the locking element stays firm and doesn't leave the weapon, however much force is applied. Lars Jelonek is a master craftsman in metal construction. He is trying to remove the Quick Lock locking element from the barrel of a gun. I've clamped the barrel into the vise now and used a hard metal drill to make a hole in the locking element. And now my drill has broken.
Wenn man sich das Prinzip mal anschaut, dass man jetzt diese kleinen Kügelchen, die sich hier drin bewegen.
So, if we look at the principle, little metal balls are moving in here, and with a vibration we make them rearrange themselves.
Wir versuchen mit einer leichten Vibration da, dass sie sich neu sortieren. Ja, wir versuchen den Weg des geringsten Widerstandes.
Let's take the path of least resistance. We can see that the balls have spread out in this chamber, and now, with a vibration, we're going to try and rearrange them.
Diese Sperrkügelchen etwas neu zu sortieren, dass sie dann
so that perhaps when the weapon is turned over, they fall out. Let's give it a go.
Wir versuchen es mal, gucken.
Nothing happens. That means the vibration hasn't had an effect. All attempts to remove the Quick Lock system from the 3 weapons failed. The notary public evaluates the results. All the filming today was done under my observation as a notary. We haven't noticed any manipulation. All the experiments took place in the way we've seen, and the system seems to be effective. The test experiment. A long firearm locker is to be forced open with the same tools. A single locking bar closes the certified long firearm locker. Jelonek will now try to cut the metal rod with a common angle grinder. Jelonek works on the firearm locker for less than 5 minutes. The result? The locker is now open. The ammunition is being stored separately in an ammo section that I can easily break open with a screwdriver. The conclusion: after a few minutes, anyone could have free access to both the weapons and the ammunition. This is a B-safe, officially prescribed for storing short firearms, and I'm going to attack it with a series of levering tools. Using muscle power, common screwdrivers and crowbars only, Jelinek, who is a master craftsman for metal construction, will start working on the small weapon vault for a few minutes. The result: the weapons and the ammunition are accessible to everyone in the shortest time. Misuse is therefore possible. That's the decisive point. When you break open a firearms locker, you have 6, 7 or 8 weapons. If you have a weapon individually protected by a mechatronic protection system, the weapon cannot be misused. With the use of mechatronics in weapon security, a milestone with great future potential has been achieved. The Armatix lock systems guarantee security and freedom, both for society and the weapon owner.